So yeah guys, right now they take off British Airways and I run so fast and they take off the giant plane of Qatar Airways. I cannot believe this. But which they will take off next because they landing already Adrian and the small plane. Yeah, I think we cannot see. I think it's over there, the plane. Yeah, it's the giant plane, but they go slowly because it was a Boeing 787, but I ran so fast. Shit. Bro, I cannot believe this because they take off of the giant airplane of the Qatar Airways. So right now they take off British Airways and I ran so fast and I didn't have water because today I went southcast. So I think they stopped the plane. I think we have to see now. Damn it. What? But why they stop? I hope it is, if they got the lights, they will take off. Yeah, let's turn it off. Where it is? I think it's over there of Qatar Airways. But why is coming the giant? Yeah, now they take off. Yeah, I hear the sound. Bro, why they take off like this? But it was not Boeing 777, it was a Boeing 787. But why is coming the giant plane in Cyprus? But don't say Cyprus. Cyprus. Yes, the giant plane of Qatar Airways. Because if I saw the flight radar 24 today, they go to the Doha. You know what it means when they are in the Doha in the country. It was Qatar. Yeah, look at this. They turn it up. Oh my god. But how is coming the giant? Because I ran so fast. Even is coming another airplane. Yeah, where's the moon? Wait. I heard the plane. Maybe they take off. Air Jefa. But why is coming the giant? But what's that noise? I think it's from the package. Even they cap another airplane. Bro, I cannot believe this. Still, the video is over. But I have the week. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to see the airplane. And also they come another airplanes. But why the giant of airplane of the Qatar Airways? Because right now it's coming. It's coming. Because they landing already. And also they landing Emirates. And right now they take off Air Jefa, or it can be Germany Air Force. Let's see you next week. Bye all.